The Ooni Koda 16 pizza oven uses propane gas to reach extremely high heat, so you get crisp, leopard-spotted pizza bases that feel like they came from a proper pizzeria. It heats up in about 20 minutes and can turn out a fully cooked pizza in roughly 1 minute, which makes it ideal for entertaining without long waits between pies. The thick stone baking board and insulated steel shell hold heat very well, so the oven recovers quickly between pizzas and cooks evenly from edge to center. Setup is straightforward because the legs fold out, the stone drops in, and the included gas hose and regulator make connecting to a propane tank simple, even for a first-time owner. The wide opening and generous 16-inch cooking surface handle large pizzas comfortably, and with a cast iron pan you can also sear steaks, roast vegetables, or cook fish over the same roaring flame. Build quality feels solid and weather-ready, and the extended manufacturer warranty adds reassurance that this is an outdoor oven designed for heavy, regular use.